No one should ever have to pay $500 for a good pair of headphones, so I'm glad this exists. This is the new Anker Soundcore Space 2. Now, these headphones aren't actually supposed to come out for another month, but after actually trying the headphones myself, I wanted to share 4 reasons why these headphones are kind of a big deal. First reason, these headphones are one of the most comfortable headphones I've ever worn. It's extremely lightweight on the head, and the clamping force isn't squeezing my head in, it's not too tight, it's just tight enough to keep the headphones from falling off. Now in this job, I have gone through hundreds of headphones in the last few years, and I still personally think that the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra series are the best headphones for comfort. But after trying the Anker Soundcore Space 2, I gotta say, these are a close second. The headphones are primarily constructed of plastic and the headband and ear cups, and there is a metal frame that keeps everything together. And to my surprise, this material combo doesn't feel cheap at all. When holding the headphones, it didn't feel like a toy, it didn't feel just like some plastic mess. These actually feel like they are going to last you a little bit longer than most headphones in this price tag might. Couple all of that with decently deep ear cups and soft memory foam padding, and you've got a pair of headphones that are going to be really easy to wear for hours on end. The second reason why the Space 2s are worth getting excited about has to be the active noise cancellation. According to Soundcore, they have improved the active noise cancellation on the Space 2s, specifically in the low frequencies. And so that's kind of great news if you need a pair of headphones for air travel, because airplane engine rumbles are in the lower register, and so you want your ANC headphones to be particularly good in attenuating those frequencies. Now, the improvements to ANC is a great piece of news because when we tested the original Soundcore Space 1, those performed well in our labs, reducing the loudness of outside noise by an average of 80%. It's not AirPods Max level, but it's damn good and should be useful, or at least effective in most use cases. Now, I did try on the headphones briefly here in Barcelona, and I found that the headphones did a pretty good job in quieting the chatter and music playing around me. The headphones quieted the environment enough that I didn't have to absolutely jack up the volume on my phone just to hear my music. It was perfectly fine. Now, with the headphones on, I also did listen to some music just to get a sense of the sound quality, and although the firmware and tuning could change between now and the release date, I thought that the headphones sounded fine. It is a little too bass heavy for my taste, though some of you may enjoy that. I just found that the bass was loud enough to mask a bit of vocals and some synth lines in my music. However, if I wanted to adjust that, I could always go into the Anker Soundcore app and use the EQ tool to tune the headphones to my preference. And yes, the Soundcore app is going to be supporting the Space 2s just like it did with the Space 1s. Everything I'm saying in regards to performance, it is just based off of my brief listening experience with the headphones, so I don't want to fully comment on performance, but I can say that my first impressions are positive in terms of sound quality and ANC, so I highly recommend you subscribe and stay tuned for our full review after we get these headphones into our labs. Third thing that's really cool with these headphones, that battery life though. According to Anker Soundcore, the Space 2s should last you up to 50 hours with ANC on and up to 70 hours with ANC off. Now, looking at the ANC on value, that is over double what the battery life is on the AirPods Max. This is my pair of AirPods Max. It only lasts around 20 hours on a single charge. I paid for this myself. You know how many times I have to charge this? The Anker Soundcore Space 2 also comes with quick charge, where just 5 minutes of charging will give you about 4 hours of playtime, which is also double Apple's quick charge claims for the AirPods Max. But like with ANC and sound quality, we do have to get the Space 2s into our labs to verify Anker Soundcore's battery claims, so again, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. The fourth and final reason to keep the Anker Soundcore Space 2s on your radar is cost. The Space 2s are going to be available starting April 21st, and it will retail for just under $130, which is way cheaper than the AirPods Max, the Sony XM6 headphones, the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra headphones, and even the Sennheiser Momentum for wireless. The Space 2s really are shaping up to be a really good flagship alternative, especially for its affordable price point. The cherry on top too is the fact that Anker products actually go on sale often throughout the year. So it's very likely that after a month or so that the Space 2s are on the market, you'll probably find it for less than the retail price, which makes the headphones an even better bang for buck than once thought. So with all that said, would you buy the Anker Soundcore Space 2s? Let us know in the comments, and remember to subscribe to stay tuned for a full review. In the meantime, if you want to know how the original Space 1s performed in our labs, then make sure to check out our full review right here.